Hi, I'm Christy Forsyth with Clarity by Christy. I am a soul therapist and an intuitive, and I help the helpers, the light bringers, and the soulpreneurs of this world to live their most magical life. And today we are going to be talking about the crystal that you need to heal your heart. Whether you are going through a breakup, whether you are struggling with other relationship issues, whether you are just finding yourself wanting love, wanting certain relationships in your life, or wanting certain ways of interacting with people, wanting changes in the way that you're interacting with people, wanting to heal your heart from past pain, whatever that is, however you need to heal your heart and heal your relationships, this is the crystal for you. And the crystal is rose quartz, and you can see it's this beautiful light pink. Rose quartz is such a nice energy. You can find it in, this is the raw, you can get it raw, you can get it tumbled, you can, I think they even make rose quartz lamps and large chunks of rose quartz. It's such a beautiful crystal, and it's such a beautiful energy because to me, it is the most gentle, one of the most healing crystals that there are because it's so gentle. Sometimes when we have and use certain crystals, their energy can be a little overwhelming for us or a little bit too much. This is a great starter crystal if you are getting started with crystals and you're wanting to use it. Everybody can use a little bit of rose quartz to help with balancing out that heart chakra right here where our heart is. And so I love the gentleness of it. It really allows us to focus on exactly what that heart chakra is supposed to do, to focus on giving and receiving love. So if you're finding yourself stuck with being able to give love, if you're finding yourself stuck with being able to receive love, this is a great crystal for you to use and to set the intention for what you want it to help you with, what you want it to do. It also helps us to receive that unconditional love that is always available to us, right? The unconditional love that is from what I call God. You may call it the universe, you may call it something else, but that unconditional love that is always flowing to us, and it allows us to open ourselves up to receive that love. So if you're not feeling very loved, if you haven't felt very loved lately, this is a great crystal for you to help you to work on that. This is also helpful for finding clarity on the relationships that you have in your life, family relationships, romantic relationships, friendships, whatever they are. If you are looking for understanding, if you're looking to make decisions around relationships, this is a great crystal for you. It also is helpful when we are looking for compassion or wanting to be more compassionate, when we are wanting to bring in more peace to our life, into our heart, into our world. It is such a peaceful crystal. It brings so much comfort with it and so much just, I don't know, it just, whenever I hold a rose quartz, I feel so much more at ease. I feel so much more balanced. It really is about nourishing your soul, nourishing your heart, making you feel that peace and that calm. And it also, for those of you who are looking for love, who are wanting to open to love, it's a really great crystal to call in love, whether you use it by itself and you just ask it to help you to call in that perfect soulmate partner, or if you use it in, for example, a crystal grid where it's one of the crystals that is in a setup of a grid meant to call in a love relationship. So it's a really great crystal for that as well. So I hope you grab yourself a rose quartz. It's a perfect crystal. It also helps to protect this heart chakra and help us to feel at ease. So if you ever have pain in this area, or if you ever just feel like you process a lot of energy or feel a lot of heaviness in this area, this is a great crystal for that as well. I recommend a necklace of rose quartz that will hit you right here in the heart chakra. That's a really helpful necklace to have, especially for those of you that are empaths, that process a lot of energy, that take on a lot of energy from people and places and all of these things. That is a great crystal for you. So I hope that's helpful for you. Let me know in comments below what you think, and if you already have rose quartz or if you're planning on getting rose quartz, make sure you like this video if you liked this video, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit that bell to make sure that you get any notifications for any videos that I'm uploading here on the channel. And thank you so much for all of your support. I will see you soon with another video. Take care, guys.